Okay, now today I will discuss rational expression, simplifying and equivalent fractions. Overview. This video aims to answer the following questions. How do we know if a rational expression is simplified or in lowest term? How do we derive the simplified term of a rational expression? A rational expression can be further simplified if the polynomials in the numerator and denominator have a common factor. For example, if we have Rx equal to P of x over Q of x, which is a polynomial, P of x over Q of x can be factored as f times small p or over f times small q. As you can see, we can cancel out the f factor and arrive at simply as small p over q. Let's take for example, find the simplified form of 2 over 8x squared. We can factor the numerator as 2 times 1 and the denominator as 2 times 4x squared. As you can see, I factored out the GCF of the numerator and the denominator. So we have a common factor, which is the GCF 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. We can cancel them out. So the common factor cancels out and we're left with 1 over 4x squared, which is the simplified term, or what we call the lowest term. Let's take another example. 8x to the 5th power times y squared over 32x cubed times y to the 4th power. As we can see, the GCF of the numerator and the denominator will be 8x cubed y squared. So we try to factor out that GCF from the numerator and at the same time from the denominator. Thus, we have a common factor which we can cancel out. And we're left with x squared over 4y squared, which is again our lowest term. Let's take a third example. Find the simplified form of 2x plus 4 over x squared minus 4. Okay. We can factor out the numerator as 2 times x squared plus 2. The denominator can be factored out using difference of two squares. X plus 2 times quantity x minus 2. As you can see, I have two common factors from the numerator and the denominator, so we can cancel them out. And we're left with 2 over x squared, which is again our lowest term. Find the simplified form of x squared plus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 1. We can factor out the numerator as quantity x minus 1 times x plus 4, and the denominator as x plus 1 times x minus 1. As we can see here, we have a common factor, which is x minus 1. So we can cancel them, and we're left with x plus 4 plus x plus 1. X plus 4 over x plus 1. Let's take this example. 3 minus a over a minus 3. We can further simplify this one knowing that the numerator, we can take it out, the negative sign, so it will become minus quantity negative 3 plus a. Negative 3 plus a here is just the same as a minus 3. So we can cancel out common factor, which is a minus 3, and we're left with 1, or negative 1 rather. So a rational expression in the form of a minus b over b minus a is just equivalent to 1. So for an example, 3y minus 5 over 5 minus 3y is just the same as negative 1 in simplified terms. This x squared minus y squared over y squared minus x squared is just again equal to 1. So you can see this is a minus b, okay, over b minus a. So we follow the same formula a while ago. This quantity or expression is also equal to negative 1. The a here is x plus y and the b here is z. So a minus b over b minus a. So you can further simplify that one as negative 1. So let us practice the following items. So take your time